Here we are. The moment of truth. Step 5 is where things start to get real. Here's where you take the optimal theoretical matching of means and goals and figure out how it fits with the resources that are available in practice. This means it's time for your strategy and your resources to have it out. Here's where you need to determine where your focus lies. Adjusting the resources to fit the strategy is preferable, but it's not always possible, nor wanted. If your resources are not that flexible, your strategy is the one that needs to adapt, which is totally okay. In fact, adapting will get you better results than sticking with a plan that isn't practical. The first opponent you will pitch your strategy against is the budget. Are there inconsistencies between the strategy going forward and how the budget has been allocated in the past? The next round will be against the organization. How does your original strategy compare to the current distribution of your human resources? Yep, the truth can hurt. But this reality check is a critical step towards refining your strategy. After identifying inconsistencies, you'll need to check if there are justifications in the historical analysis to increase or decrease priorities. Do you have well-performing means that should get extra focus? Do you have an extremely good offer that justifies tweaking your plan? Or maybe there are sunk costs from previous years that require a reshuffling of priorities. Well, there's a lot to think about. Whatever the reasons behind them are, the inconsistencies you find will serve as indications as to how your theoretical strategy should be adapted according to practical considerations. Or if your strategy has higher focus, what courses of action you'll need to take at a later step to ensure your resources fit the plan, both when it comes to the organization and the budget. So, why do we do all this? Theory and reality don't always match, but we need to make them get along. Because it doesn't matter how great your strategy may be in theory if it doesn't work in practice. Once you've taken all the budgetary and organizational aspects into account, you'll be better equipped to shape your digital future for real.